Hey darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So what I'm going to start doing is a series of holographic collections that I personally own. Now, for each and every single one of them, because there's a lot, there's like 18 or 19 holographic glitters that I have, well, and then plus several more. So I have a lot, so I may not show the tack-it method per every single tumbler, as it gets a little redundant, and I'm pretty sure that you guys have that down pat. So what I wanted to show you is that this particular tumbler was done with Unicorn Dreams. Okay, and I painted this base coat French lilac. Now I did attempt to do the recording on this one and this one, and however I've been having some great technical difficulties, to say the least. So hopefully today this goes flawlessly and without any hiccups. So I just wanted to share with you that this one was done with French lilac with the Unicorn Dreams to achieve this holographic method, which yes, was done with the tack-it over and over again. Okay, that was the first one. And then this beautiful here, this one was done with Twilight, which is this, and it was painted the dark grape color, Rust-Oleum brand, to achieve this beautiful holographic appearance. So what I wanted to show you was bubblegum pop on this one that I've already painted pink. And the color I used was candy pink, also Rust-Oleum. So this is my base, and this is the glitter that we're going to use. So together we're going to see how this is going to turn out, and I'm super excited. So I've already got my tack-it mixed, and I finally bought the Mod Podge brush. I actually ruined my other brushes that I was using for Mod Podge and the tack-it, and then I did not clean them fast enough. Time got away from me, and I unfortunately ruined them. So I figured if I have to buy more, I'll just buy the one everyone raves about. And yeah, so far I love it. So this tack-it, almost said Mod Podge, this tack-it goes on white. So I usually also put it in front of a fan just to kind of help it dry a little bit quicker, but you do not have to do that. You can, honestly, you can let it air dry, whichever works best for you. And then we're simply going to coat this tumbler. Okay. So I don't want to over swipe it. At the same time, I want to make sure I have a good solid coverage, and just kind of looking in the light, looks like we have a good coverage. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this in front of the fan and let it dry. Or not dry, I always say that. I'm just going to let it go clear. Once it's gone clear, if I'll be able to tell, well, this is a light pink cup, it's kind of hard to see the white on it already, so I'm gonna have to keep my eye on it, and then when I think it's ready, I will come back and we'll do the bubblegum pop together. Okay guys, and we are back, and we are ready to now apply the bubblegum pop. So I'm pretty much just gonna dump this right on. Oh, it's such a beautiful color. Let me grab one of those little cups here. Make sure you get the bottom good. and the rim too. Just gently going back over it real quick just to make sure I got all the spots. Oh, I moved my table away from myself. So let me just set this off really quick. I would not want to lose any of this beautiful glitter. Just carefully set this out of the way. Okay, so once you have applied your glitter, you can immediately start rubbing it down. You guys see how beautiful that is? Hopefully the camera is picking it up. I really hope it is picking up the holographic. So I always start with one finger, then I'm two fingers, and before you know it, I'm the whole hand in. I don't know if it's a patience issue or what. But you certainly don't want to rub too hard because you can nick it. And I do not know how to fix nicks when it comes to holographic, to be honest. I'm sure somebody out there is super clever and has figured it out. And if you have, or you know somebody who has, please send them my way. Send me to them, I mean, because I would really love to check it out. Because I, in all honesty, I do not know how to fix a nick. I have tried to go back over it with the tack-it and just kind of fill in the spot. But for whatever reason, it doesn't work for me. So it could be very well something I'm doing wrong. So until I have figured it out, or somebody, I can watch somebody fix it, I try really hard not to, like that. Try not to do that if you can help it. I honestly think that's where I had the bottom was a little clumpy and didn't dry, or I should say clear up, before I put this on. I'm sure I can come up with another solution for the bottom. Or, I mean, this is actually absolutely stunning without being necessarily holographic and tack-it. But since it is holographic, a lot of people want to use it for its purpose. But you don't have to. You, honest to God, you do not have to. I mean, regardless of how you use it, it's absolutely stunning. Get some of that glitter off my hands. So see, that is a bummer. But, I mean, like I said, the cup is not ruined at all. I can always figure something out at the bottom, and I want to stop rubbing that. If you don't let your tack-it dry properly, that's what happens. So I thought we were good to go, but we weren't. But that's okay. That is not an issue. I am not concerned about that. However, so there's this beauty. As you can see, I wear glitter. So we have the Bubblegum Pop. This is the Unicorn Dreams. And then we have Twilight. I'll put this back up here even though my glitter is no longer in it. So, Bubblegum Pop on a light pink base. This is Unicorn Dreams on a light purple base, French Lilac. And this was done using a grape colored Rust-Oleum paint base with Twilight. All three beautiful, all three entirely different cups. So typically you want to base paint your tumbler to whatever color is closest to matching the holographic colors that you want to use. So this is one of many holographic collection tumblers that are on their way to you. And all of the videos are probably going to be different. I don't know if I'll just showcase them. This is the first one of the many. So I am not exactly sure how I'm going to push these along as far as how I'm going to videotape these each time I do it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, and please look forward to the rest of the collection that are going to be coming soon. I have Glitzy Girl Glitter, which is these three. And after the initial set from Glitzy Girl Glitter, I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the Glitter Sisters holographics that I have. And I'm going to showcase them all. So thank you guys so much for joining me with Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyls. I look forward to seeing you next time.